Across the United States, substance abuse affects more than 20 million people today. From prescription painkillers to recreational drugs to alcohol abuse, the paths leading to addiction are often complex and intertwined with factors such as mental disorders and trauma. Because no two people experience addiction in the same way, individualized care is essential for effective treatment and long-term recovery. Addiction medicine specialist Dr. Jason Himes explains.
Drug abuse can be thought of like obsessive-compulsive behavior on steroids, where behavior addictions like gambling can be treated relatively easily. It's much more complicated treating opioid, stimulant, or tranquilizer or alcohol abuse. We need to individualize the treatment for both the patient and the drug they're using. Substance abuse treatment has two phases. First, we detox the patient, then we treat them with more traditional cognitive behavioral or 12-step approaches.
Here at Luxe Recovery, a private luxury rehab center in Los Angeles, recovery focuses on employing multiple modalities that consider the whole person. Alongside traditional 12-step methodologies, treatment plans are meticulously tailored to each individual's unique needs and goals to pave the way for successful and long-lasting recovery.
One of the things that makes our approach here at Luxe unique is the fact that we combine both medical and psychological approaches. One thing that also sets us apart is our use of MAT, or medication-assisted therapy. In recent years, it's been shown that certain substances prevent what is called relapse. The problem with alcoholism or opioid abuse is that you can try to treat someone, but it may not last and they return. MAT, the use of certain substances, has been shown to significantly reduce the probability that these people will go back to using.
Long-lasting sobriety is different for each person, and everyone recovers differently. We find here that we need to encompass many different modalities for clients to recover their mind, their body, and their spirit, and that happens differently for each person. This is why we provide holistic approaches such as yoga, meditation, breath work, acupuncture, chiropractic services, going through their journey in recovery, and people can use bits and pieces of it on their journey and pick what works best for them.
With just 6 residents at a time and a 3-to-1 staff-to-patient ratio, Luxe Recovery is private and small in size, fostering an emotionally safe environment that promotes camaraderie and healing within a group setting.
Prior to being a client here at Luxe, I was stuck in a hopeless cycle of addiction. Once I got to Luxe, I instantly felt at home here. The staff was very welcoming. I detoxed properly, and once I felt like I was ready, I started participating in group and doing yoga and meditation, and they would take me out to meetings, and I got my mind and my spirit aligned. And while I was here, Arthur, the owner, instilled this bit of hope in me that one day I could be a nurse for their facility. And once I left, I still continued to focus on myself. And once I was ready, at about a year of sobriety, he offered me a job as a nurse with the company, and it's been so rewarding. I think that being in recovery myself, I've been able to, help as many people as possible that come into Luxe for treatment, because I can understand their struggles and what they're going through and the way that they think and their thought process, because I've been there myself.
Actively collaborating with leading experts in addiction medicine and recovery, Luxe Recovery is dedicated to providing the most innovative and relevant treatment offerings to ensure sustainable success for each and every client, from detox to outpatient services.
Here at Luxe, we have continually tried to improve and refine our approach to treating our patients. We are small, we concentrate on no more than 6 patients at a time, and we individualize our care. We follow the latest research. We do everything we can to stay as cutting edge as possible, and our efforts have been recognized. We are now recognized by Newsweek as being one of the 400 best recovery centers in the country. We are fully committed to improving the lives of people struggling with substance abuse.
COO of Luxe Recovery, Frank Wills, knows firsthand it's a model that works.
When I first started working here at Luxe Recovery, I had gone through treatment myself and had come to grips and terms with my addiction and my alcoholism and being informed of what my true problem really was so that I can then implement a solution of mind, body, and spirit. And those are the three aspects of the disease that we treat here with different modalities, different approaches. And we find that with this combination, this alloy, it's produced the best results I've ever seen so far. My hope is to show these clients that I was in their shoes at one point and look at what this process has done for me. So here at Luxe Recovery, we cover all aspects of treatment and we provide the best services possible. All of our clinicians and group facilitators are licensed. They're all experts in their field and what they do. And we pride ourselves in providing the best care possible for our clients to give them the best chance possible for success.
Luxe Recovery. To find out more, please visit luxerecovery.com.